To assign a customer to a company, simply come into the company section, select a company, go into contacts, add an existing customer, or add a new company contact. If you do add an existing customer, it's going to allow you to then search your list of customers, and you can then select them and set their role. Now, the role does two things. One, it gives them access to either their orders or all orders when they're logged into their account. It also controls what notifications they receive. Just do know that you can have, a manager access, but then you can customize what emails are sent. Same thing for customer payments and manager. Now, if all you need to do is add an accountant or somebody who's not already in DecoNetwork, that's when you're going to come to add new company contact. You can just put in their first, last name, email, and phone number. And then again, they'll be added and you can set their role, and it's that easy. Remember, the role does two things. One, it controls what they access when they're logged into their account. If I'm a manager, I can view all orders that were placed within the company by any contact. If I'm a customer, I'm only going to see orders that I place. Same thing when it comes to email notifications, but just like I showed, you can customize that as well.